Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to uninstall software on Linux. So in order to do it, we have to open terminal because I will show you how to do it in terminal. So I will go into show apps and press on terminal. And right now, I will show you how to uninstall software on the Apache 2 example because I have it installed. As you can see, sudo systemctl status Apache 2. You have to type in password. As you can see, my Apache 2 is active and it is running. So how to uninstall it? We can do it in two ways. The first one is a little bit worse, but I will show you both and I will describe you the difference between them. So sudo apt remove will be the first one, and after it we have to type in the name of our software that we want to uninstall. So if I will press enter, of course we have to use sudo because we need administration permissions, and do you want to continue, we have to type in y because we want to continue. And by this command my Apache 2 will be uninstalled because, as you can see, if I will use sudo systemctl status Apache 2, it is uninstalled because you need Apache 2 that service could not be found. But it's very important to say that this command doesn't remove configuration files. So if I will, so my Apache 2 is uninstalled, but somewhere in the system there are still the configuration files of Apache 2. So we have a better command. The better command is sudo apt purge and the name of our software. So we have to press enter and again press Y. For me probably nothing will happen because I already uninstalled it with autoremove. So nothing happens, but it's better to straight away use this command. And right now we have the third command. As you can see, we have still some files that we don't need. So we have to type in sudo apt autoremove and press enter. And again we have to wait, and as you can see, some Apache files are some Apache files are being removed. So it's very important to use this command. So if you want to uninstall some software, I suggest to you don't use this command, sudo apt remove. Straight away go to this command, and after it just type in sudo apt autoremove, and your uninstallation will be completed in the best possible way. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.